All right, in our last video, we installed an LTS. So you've got that installed. Now we want to start a project. So let's go to, I'm in Unity Hub. Go to New Project. We need to choose 3D Core. And we're going to name this, let's call it Space Adventure. Don't leave a space. It will accept a space. Let's see, I've got to change that left space. But when you put in a space, sometimes it can cause a problem in where we're saving it and different things. So let's not put a space in. All right, 3D Core, give it a title, create project. It's going to take a minute to load here. All right, this is taking several minutes, so I'm pausing it, and I'll come back when it's done. We're already almost 3 minutes into this. Okay, after a few minutes, that has built. So it's built an empty game, and I'm just going to throw a couple things in there. So I'm just going to right-click, 3D object, cube. Going to zoom in. Let's see, I'm in assets. I'm going to create a folder for materials. Oops, isn't that working? Still not working. There we go. Materials. I'll go into that folder. Right click and let's create a new material. Where's my material? There it is. Oh, and we'll call this cube blue. And then I'm going to come over here to the albedo, change the color. Let's just make it a blue. I'll pick that blue right there. Okay, I've got the material. I'm going to drag it onto the cube. There we go. I've got one thing. I think I need a plane. So I'm going to right click, 3D object, plane. Oh, and see how it's right in the middle of the cube because everything's set at 0, 0. I'm going to go back to the cube and I'm going to raise it up a little bit. So let's see. X goes this way. Y goes this way. So Z must be the one that goes up. Did that work? Nope, that's moving it forward. Okay, we'll keep that at 0. Must be the Y that goes up. 1, there we go. Okay, let's put it there just so we can see it. And that looks good. Now I've got a plane, so I've got to click on the plane, and then I'm going to give that some material too. So I'll create a new material. And let's see, someplace there's, I can change this to a grid. Anybody know where that is? Yes, here it is. Okay, let me go back. So instead of clicking on the color here, which I could do, we'll give it a color also. I'll give it kind of a purpley color. There's purple. Now let's go lighter. Okay, there's a color, but now I'm going to make it a grid. So I'll close this, and now that's the color. I'm going to come over here in what we want it to look like, and oh, there's too many things in here. So I'm going to search default, and there's the checkerboard right there. Default checkerboard, I'm going to click on that. And then, so now you can see my material is a purple checkerboard. I'm going to drag that onto the plane. And I want more than just the 4 squares. So I need to go to tiling. And, oh, how about if we give it 20 by 20. There we go. Now I can see, actually when you do this tiling, then you can see movement because there's something to see that you're changing. Okay, so let's just do that. That should be enough. Let's go up and save it. And I'm going to stop right there. That's how you create a game.